Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network access. You need stable mobile data or Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the GeoPhone browser app, not the dialer. Type Mail. Google. Com in the address bar and press the central key to load the page. If the browser redirects to a simplified page, make sure to choose the desktop or full site option when available. This provides the normal Gmail sign in form so you can proceed with entering credentials. You now see the sign-in form. Select the email field and enter your full Gmail address because auto-completion may not be reliable on Kai OS. After pressing Next, focus on the password field and type slowly using the phone keypad. Make sure caps lock or numeric mode isn't active. Once the password is entered, use the Show option briefly to confirm accuracy, then press Next. If two-step verification appears, follow prompts to receive code via SMS. You finish by granting any permission prompts and waiting for the inbox to render. Patience matters because GeoPhone browsers are slower. If sign-in fails, make sure the phone's date and time are correct, clear the browser cache, and retry. Incorrect time often breaks Google sign-in. If two-factor prompts block access, request an SMS code or use your saved backup codes. If problems persist, restart the phone and try again. That resolves many session and network glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.